Take 3 cups rice, soak it in 4 cups of water for 30 to 45 minutes. Take 2 medium-sized potatoes and cut them in cubes. Take 2 medium-sized carrots, cut it in circles. Take a small cauliflower and cut it in medium-sized pieces. Take 250 grams fresh or frozen peas. Take 2 medium-sized sliced tomatoes. Take 2 medium-sized sliced onions. Take 3 tablespoons of ginger, garlic chili paste. Take 3 tablespoons coriander powder, 2 tablespoons Kashmir red chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon salt to taste. Take 3 cups of curd, 2 tablespoons biryani masala powder, and mix it well. Take a deep pot and add 3 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon ghee. Once oil is heated up, add 1 tablespoon cumin seed, 1 big cardamom, 10 to 12 peppercorns, 3 to 4 cloves, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 small cardamom, 2 to 3 bay leaves. Mix it well. Add 2 medium sliced onion, mix it well. Fry the onion till it turns golden brown as shown in the clip. Add 3 tablespoons ginger garlic chili paste. Stir it well for 2 minutes. Add 2 medium sliced tomatoes and mix it well. Add 3 tablespoons coriander powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon salt. Stir it well. Add the curd mix and stir it well. Now add all the vegetables. Now add finely chopped coriander and mint leaves. Now bring it to a boil. Check if the vegetables are cooked. Now add the soaked rice. Add 2 cups of water. Stir it well. After 15 minutes, check if the rice is cooked or not. You will notice that the rice is cooked and there is no more water left in the pot. Your healthy vegetarian pulao is ready to eat. Serve it with salad mixed with curds. Please like, share, and subscribe for more recipes from Blessed Bowl Recipes.